In this video I will show you if your Windows 11 22H2 version not enable tab option, how to enable tab option easily. See tab option not enable. Download vivetool link below in description. Extract vivetool in C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Type cmd and run as administrator. Copy the command and paste it, then press enter, then close cmd. Restart your computer. See tab option now enable. To disable run cmd, copy the command and paste it, then press enter, then close cmd, restart computer. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with friends. Thank you.